statement is we need to write a query, SQL query to find the department with highest average salary. So we have to create two tables, employees and departments, and then we have to insert some dummy data. So I already have like written some code, so I'm just going to use that. So this one I have a table is named personal, so I'm going to use it. And we are creating a table named employees with column employee ID, employee name, department ID, and salary. Okay, then similarly we are creating departments and then we are inserting some data into both. So I'm just going to run it. Okay, great. So we were able to create the tables. So I'm just going to comment these because we are not going to need them. So let's check if it has some data or not. Select all employees. But okay, let's see. Okay, so we got some data. So we have 3 rows in departments and about 10 rows in employees. Okay, so based on the requirement we have, we need to find department with the highest average salary. So before we find out the department like with the highest average salary, first we have to figure out to fetch all the average salaries of each department. Okay, so let's write that departments. Okay, so select average, what's the column name? Salary. Okay, as average salary from employees. Okay, and then we have to group by departments. Okay, department ID. Okay, let's see. Three bottom that. Okay, so we got the average salary. So we only fetched like the average salary for different departments. We don't know like what's the name of the department because employee table don't have any thing which can give you the name of the department. It only have the department ID. Okay, so now we got the average salaries. Okay, so now what we have to do, we just have to like find out a way to first get the max. So getting the max of these average is like easy part. So we just do like something like select max of average salary. Okay, from this we are making it as this a subquery and let's see. All right, let's try to run it now. Okay, so we got the max of the averages of salaries. Okay, but now we need the name of the department, which we don't have right now. So what we can do, we can join both of the tables, department and the what do you say, the employees. So let's say select. Okay, so we are going to need the department ID and as well as department ID. Okay, from here, from this table. So for now, let's just write department. Okay, just one thing. Select from. So from which table? So from departments. Okay, so let's give us D. So we only need D dot department ID, D dot, what's the name? Department name. Okay, and then also the salary. So let's say, so for now, I'm just going to keep it as blank for now. Okay, so we will do it dot later. So now we will try to join it with the employees. Employees and just give E. Okay, and what are the common one? So department ID equals to the department ID. Okay, so this will only look for the common data between both of the tables because we are doing the inner join. Okay, and we are going to group the data based on the department ID and the department. So you can just copy it. Okay. All right. So till here we are. If you try to run it, you will get like only the common data. Okay. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, like this, because like these are like present in uh, departments and also in the employees table. But so right now we have like connection between employees and departments. Okay, so now we can fetch the salaries as well. So let's say if we try to fetch the salaries, let's say e dot um, what's the name, salary. Okay, so e dot salary. So as we are doing a group by, so we can sum or we can do an average of all the salaries. So let's try to do that average. Okay, so this is for just to check what will be the output. So if I try to run it, so this is going to give us the department ID, department name, and the average salary of that particular department. Okay, but the requirement is we only need the department where the salary is like highest, the average is like highest. So there are multiple ways. You can just order it based on the average salaries and then just limit it, and based on that limit one you can do that. Okay, so let's try to do that. Order by tree, limit one. Okay, so let's try to run it. And okay, so we are only getting 6,500, but as oh, so we need to do something like this. So here, so this way we will get uh, the highest average salary department name. So this is the finance department which have the highest average salary. Okay. So there's one more way we can write this query. So just copy it and paste it here. I'm going to paste it here. Okay. So as you can see here, we use this query to find the maximum of the salaries, the average salaries of across departments. Okay. So we are going to use this. So right now, if we use this, we are only getting the average salary for each department, same as it is, but we are going to need the max of it. Okay, so I'm just going to use it here, and we're going to use having, and then we can do e dot average salary equals to like this. Okay, so it should give us the same result, but with the name of the department and the ID. Okay, so here, so we are getting the ID, department name, and then the average salary.